Greetings to all. This is Neel Harshad Parekh, a technical research associate at GEPL Capitals. Welcome to this weekly market outlook video. In this video, we are going to talk about the Nifty and Bank Nifty current market chart structure, as well as we'll discuss the two stocks which have the high potential to outperform in the upcoming series. So without any further ado, let's start with the video. So this is the monthly scale of Nifty index. If we look at after 4 consecutive months of a bearish closing on the April month, it has first month it has been giving a positive closing on the after a 4 consecutive months of a bearish sentiment. So this month indicates the base of a positive reversal kind of structure. So if we look at the monthly scale, it has been closed above its key 20-month average index that defines the positive sentiment is been picking up in the recent phase. On the weekly scale, if we jump out, the Nifty, after witnessing a 3 consecutive days, 4 consecutive weeks of the positive closing weeks, the last 2 weeks has been remained subdued as momentum has been surged toward the extreme breadth level, which is at 94% level, which is a number of stocks about trading above its key short-term moving averages has reached 94%, which is an upward resistance level. So from there, a bit of a profit booking has witnessed on the Nifty weekly scale, but overall structure still remains on the positive front. Till then, Nifty is sustaining above its 23,100 zone to the level of 23,400. As you can see, it's the key golden ratio of the Fibonacci retracement. The retracement has been taken from the low of 22,182, which is the April low, toward the recent high which has been formed at 24,601. So 23,400 to 23,100 would be a strong support zone for the Nifty index, and buy dip should be considered at these levels. So overall sentiment still remain on a positive front. If you look at on daily scale, the index has been sustaining above its 20-day average level as well to further reinforce the positive sentiment. To break out above the level of 24,300 could resume the primary upward momentum for the index, and it could lift toward the level of 25,000 to 25,800 level as well in the upcoming series. But till then, Nifty would remain on a range bound scenario. If we look at on the Bank Nifty front, the Bank Nifty continue to witness as caution near to its elevated levels toward the level of 57,000 level. Bank Nifty is getting strong rejections. If we look at the monthly scale, after a March month strong bearish candlestick, the April month has ended on a positive undertone and trades above its 20-month average volume as well. But overall, on the weekly scale, still confirmation is not yet there, as the current week has closed below the level of prior weekly close, and it's trading below its key weekly average level as well. So sentiment remains weak on the Bank Nifty front. The Bank Nifty till then is not sustaining above the level of 57,000. The positive reversal would be bit of a nullified, as Bank Nifty is getting strong rejection from these levels. At a lower scale, 53,500 would act as a strong support zone as it coincides with the multiple touch points. At a higher scale, 57,000 breakout level could witness the upper streak for the Bank Nifty toward the level of 60,500 to 61,600 level as well. But till then, Bank Nifty is sustaining below 57,000 level. It would be remain on a neutral to negative side. Now, we discuss the two stocks which has a high potential to outperform in the upcoming series. The first one is G Shipping. So if you look at the weekly scale of G Shipping, the stock has witnessed the bullish polarity shift, and as well as the current week has witnessed the breakout of its 5-week consolidation phase with a strong volume as well as the bullish candlestick on the weekly scale. Just add in the momentum indicator. So if we add the momentum indicator MACD, the MACD indicator is also reinforce the positive bullish bias for the stock. Current market prices is at 1576. We are targeting for the higher trajectory toward a level of 1700. And in this case, we have to maintain the SL of 1500 for the effective risk management. Second stock that we have shortlisted is Kirloskar Oil Engine. So again, this is a weekly scale of Kirloskar Oil Engine. So in this case, as well as the stock has similar pattern has been formed, stock has witnessed the bullish polarity shift, where the prior resistance of June 2024 has acted as a support level for the April 2026. From there, stock has witnessed an upward trajectory to maintaining its higher highs and higher lows on the weekly scale, and trading above its key short-term and mid-term averages like 12-week and 20 and 50-week exponential average. So that defines the overall price structure is getting improving on the Kirloskar oil engine. Current market prices is at near to around 1700. We are targeting toward the level of 1850 level with a stop loss to maintain at 1620 mark for the effective risk management. So these are the overall stocks that we are watching for the upcoming series to get a high relative strength compared to the broader indices. So in the month of April to in the quarter of April to June, this quarter is one of the most profitable quarter amongst the 4 quarters. So we are betting on the mid cap segment on this quarter. Thank you, and do share and subscribe to GEPL Capital's YouTube channel.